Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. And boy, is it moon time, right? What a move today. We went from 41,000 all the way to 43,300. Now Bitcoin's back down, retesting this as support once again. And just want to address something before we get the video started. Lots of very negative comments yesterday's video, very vulgar too, so I had to remove them. But surprisingly, I did not know that I offended so many people on being so bearish on Bitcoin. I'm just short-term bearish, but for the most part people are actually happy and excited, that thinking like I was gonna lose money on that option trade, which they probably don't know that I've closed in profit before we started our run up. If you were in the Discord, you would know. But anyways, moving on. I'm sorry if I offend you, but it's just my opinions on the market, and I'm just here to share them with you. So if you don't like it, the dislike button is at the bottom of the underneath the video, so you can leave your comments there. Sorry, your dislikes there. Anyways, moving on. Right now, we could see that Bitcoin has blown right through a resistance, and then we came back down, retested support. If you would have placed a short here, you would have had a stop loss above, because in the Discord we practice proper risk management, and you would have been stopped out of break even or slight loss. But overall, if you would have longed once we retested a resistance, you would have made a nice little profit today. As you can see, we came up to 2.82% with leverage. You could have made a nice little 40%, 50% trade, depending how much leverage you use. But right now we're retesting the line as support once again, getting a nice little wick right here. But if we do break down, we could see some resistance, some support coming in right now as well on our green resistance box right here on the TA2 chart. And if we do hold this, it'll be quite nice. We might even see 44,800. But again, I still see some significant resistance coming in for Bitcoin right here, exactly around 47,800. If we do get past this purple resistance box right here, then we're probably going to see some significant resistance around that area. Again, looking at the bigger picture, we can see that Bitcoin still has a long way to go to break past some resistance I can outline right here. It looks like we could potentially be in this rising wedge, or sorry, ascending triangle, I should say, not rising wedge. And then if we do break out there, then yeah, we could be looking quite bullish. But again, I just want to point out, we still have this nice resistance line as well to break out. It was support here, came back down, support, came back down, support, and then finally we broke it, and it became resistance and resistance. And now if we do get back up to it, we're going to see some resistance around 46,600, or depend on your touch point, 47,100. So it depends when we're going to make contact with this line, but it's still expected to be at resistance, to be a certain level of resistance. So if you want to place some shorts around this area, would be wise. Set your stop loss above, because that's where we practice our risk management in Discord. You never, go all in on your trade. So apparently some people in the comments think that we go all in with, max leverage and no stop loss. I don't know how they trade, but maybe that's how they trade. But who knows? Right now, we can see that Bitcoin has a -5 and a 12 right here on Market Cipher, which, by the way, this is Market Cipher. I know some people think that when you get access to the charts in the Discord, it's not access to Market Cipher. Market Cipher is a separate indicator that is sold by CryptoFace, and the link is in the description, right? When you get access to my trades, you get access to the charts, you get access to Daniel's analysis. And again, Daniel's analysis is on point, right? I'm giving a bearish view on the market. I'm taking account a lot of things like in the rising interest rates in the traditional markets. I'm looking at how traditional markets are affecting Bitcoin, right? I'm looking at a lot of things. I'm not just looking at Bitcoin itself. I'm looking at a lot of things affecting Bitcoin and other asset classes like gold, silver, oil, and indexes. So, and even stocks. So we take a look at some stocks that we're holding. They're all in profit, or the majority are in profit at the moment. I shouldn't say all. But right now, looks like gold might be coming to test 1909 right now. So we're probably going to place some long orders from here. And if we do make a nice little profit, we're probably going to ride it up to 1950, where we're probably going to see some resistance again. So I'm hoping to see a nice little dip down tomorrow, maybe in a potential rally. So I think Kenny posted that we have a Fed meeting tomorrow, but I have to look into that. But For the time being, Bitcoin looks like it's going to be going up, potentially maybe to 44,600. As we can see right here, has proven to be some significant resistance as well. So right now, hash ribbons look like they're starting to go, expand a little bit, make some room. They were getting pretty close to crossing yesterday, but again, they are quite close. So we have gotten close before without dropping, without getting a full-on capitulation, but always take all the factors into account, right, guys? Now, Daniel is expecting 52,000 by April 1st, which I think is quite possible as well. It's a very likely possibility, but in my opinion, I'm still bearish. Just because I'm bearish doesn't mean I hate Bitcoin. I have my bags fully loaded with Bitcoin. People who are gold members would know, because they have access to the Google Sheet and they know that I'm holding a substantial amount of Bitcoin. And if we go down, then so be it. Then we buy some more. It's at a significantly discounted price. Now, if you're mad that Bitcoin's going down, then let me change your view on that, because you should be happy that the price is going down. Then you can buy for it at a lower price, right? If you think that we're never going to see these price levels again, then you should think again, because anything is possible. You don't have a crystal ball. You don't know what's awaiting the markets, right? What happens if we get a full-on market crash and then the indexes tank? Do you expect Bitcoin to start shooting up randomly? No. All asset classes are going to sell off at the same time. So then it would be a great buying opportunity. If you're angry that the Bitcoin price is at 42,000 right now, or going down, maybe you bought the top, I don't know, but you should always be happy if the Bitcoin price is going down. You could buy it at a significantly discounted price, because we all know that the future value of Bitcoin is going to be significantly higher than what it is today. Now, moving on, we could take a look at the weekly time frame. We're still looking quite bullish for the time being. Again, money flow is starting to curve back up, so Daniel's prediction could come to fruition, which is 52,000 by April 1st. And if the money flow does cross into the red, then I'm going to adjust my timelines right here for a potential market correction for Bitcoin. But for the time being, we're still in the green money flow, so things are looking good right now. And again, just want to reiterate the fact I'm just here to share my opinion. Please don't get offended. Some people are saying that this is it. Since people are getting angry at you now, you've made it as a YouTuber, which is quite funny, but I don't know. I wouldn't consider myself a YouTuber. I'm just here to share my opinions with the entire community. And I love you guys so much, by the way. You guys have been awesome in the Discord, supporting us, supporting me so much. It's been an incredible ride. I've never thought I would get to 8,696 subscribers. We're almost at 8,600. So we're almost at 8,700 now. So it's very cool. Very cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. You guys have been awesome. If you haven't already, you guys can join the Discord. You get to access my custom charts, not the market cipher chart. And again, just because you're a gold member, I want to remind you, you have to follow the rules that we have in the Discord. You can't just break the rules. You're not the king, and you don't own me once you're a gold member. So please follow the rules, guys. Anyways, love you guys. Peace. If you haven't already, you guys can join and sign up for BitGet Trading, and helps me support the channel. Peace.